What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kyra. So guys, today's vlog is going to be like spend the day with me type of thing. Today's going to be like, I don't know, I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and then I'm cooking for my sister and my brother because I have them again. And then we gotta take the dogs to the park. Why is my hair looking like this? After we go there, we gotta take the dogs to the park. Take them to the park because the insurance person, I guess, is coming out to look at the house or whatever it's so called, because it already came out. So what you come back out for? I already did everything else and did my hair. I had 2 braids and I took them out because they was bad, and then I tried to redo them the other day. I just got tired and I got lazy. Like, it was so hot that day. It was like, I think that day was like 90 degrees, and when I had the air conditioners in the window that night at that time, so it was just beyond hot. But now all the air conditioners in the window and stuff like that, so I'm more likely gonna braid my hair back. Now I'm gonna braid my hair back, probably have my grandma do it, and I'm gonna just keep it braided until I can go get it done, so it won't knot up and all that, and it can just be like my natural hair. So, but wash the on my face stuff, fed the dogs, and now I'm about to do my eyelashes so we can hurry up and head out. I'm wearing today, if you guys wanted to know where I get my lashes from, so yeah, this is the name of this pair that I'm putting on. I was my first time getting this pair. They look thin, they natural. I like them, but would like to get some lashes from where I get my lashes from. Like, every pair of lashes I get is from her, nowhere else. So the Toledo Zoo vlog, guys, I am so sorry about it. Like, it just didn't go as planned at all. Like, I had an amazing time. It's just that I need to be able to be independent going on the public, because I need to have say so on when I'm ready to move from a spot, or if I want to look at something, or I want to go look at something. Like, I need to have that control, and I don't have that because I have to be pushed around. And I didn't have the money to rent the hover-around scooters, whatever, so I had to be pushed. So that was just like the only downside of it. So it was just hard because I was just kind of annoyed because I couldn't do as I pleased and wanted to, and couldn't get the shots I wanted to get and all this stuff. So that was that. It wasn't as much stuff as normal. A lot of stuff wasn't open. There's a lot of animals that's gone now. I'm assuming because of COVID. So yeah, but I had a good time. But after we came back, like, I was burnt. If you guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm allergic to the sun. My whole life, I've been in the house. Like, only time I went outside was to go to school, and then after I went to high school, I went to college, and then literally only time I visited my family. Like, when I was growing, like as a kid, I was always outside, all the time. Once I got older, like, that stopped happening. I wasn't at all going to like vacations with my family, family vacations, like just in my little house. Wasn't allowed to go, stuff like that. So I never was really out in the sun ever. You probably feel like, oh, you being dramatic. Like, no, never ever was really outside. It then got to the point, I think I was in college is when it started happening, or maybe in high school, I don't know. Outside, I would have an allergic reaction to the sun, and I would break out into hives, and I would just start itching so bad that I literally want to like dig into my body. Like, that's how bad it was itching, and allergies would get really bad. My doctor's like, well, you're allergic to the sun, like, your body's not used to being outside and all that. Like, maybe think like if you get your body back used to being outside in nature and all that, you should be fine. But you have to wear sunscreen because you're allergic to the sun now, whatever. So at the zoo, I didn't have no sunscreen because I can't. First off, every sunscreen I found feels disgusting on my skin. Like, it just feels nasty. I don't like how it feels. So I just don't wear sunscreen. So I just burn. So I was burnt. My neck was so bad. My face was so bad. As soon as we got back, it's like my throat started getting very itchy and irritated. And then the next day, I woke up and I did not have a voice. I could not talk. And then I just been stuffy and congested ever since. I'm not sick, but I feel crazy. Well, I don't even feel sick. I'm just congested. And I have to sneeze every 5 seconds, but it don't come out. And then my eyes just start watering so bad. Like my eyes has been swollen. I've been sneezing like crazy. Like, I don't know, like, did I put it too far over this way? And then I'm gonna my eyelashes on this eye. So it is hard to make this one even look nice. So I'm about to try to figure out what I can do to be out active, to get my life together. And then like also, because like honestly, I don't have any videos to do. And then I don't have money to like go out and make content. So like everything like that, I'm like, no, I need to figure this out because I can't just be going out making videos. And then I want to have good videos, good quality videos, like not just me sitting in the house. Literally, that's what this is about to be because I'm broke. Broke is a motherfucking joke. As this is the finished look. I can't figure out where to put this camera, but I'm gonna show you the whole thing once I'm done. But I can't seem to do a regular ponytail, so sideways ponytail it is. But got my jewelry on. I'm wearing Pandora and Alex and Ani. My earrings is from TJ Maxx. Yeah, think I'm about to put my ring on. If I do, oh shit, and my Pandora ring. That's it. But yeah, when I can again, I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna buy me some more eyebrow stuff so I can start back doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna use my highlighter. Yeah, I'm about to go finish getting dressed and then I'll show you. This is the finished look. Still can't get my ponytail to go to the back, so that's how it is. This is a graphic shirt from either Forever 21 or Rue 21, and these are from Forever 21. And then I have on my black and white Michael Kors shoes, and then my wallet. I have to give me a little purse, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna give me a little black purse because I just been carrying this, and I need a purse. Like, I'm about to get my hair out. Olivia's letting the doors out for me. I didn't get to record in the Kroger, but we just not getting in the car. But we got a lot of stuff, like as you can see. You didn't record me jumping over it. And then the whole trunk is full. But yeah, we're about to go home. So hurry up and get home and get the dog. You saw I cleaned out the refrigerator. You didn't see the part, but see the thing, like the first part. I had to, like, I cleaned the refrigerator out and it was like something about the refrigerator. So I had to make some bleach water. I bleached the whole refrigerator. I cleaned the stuff out and I put the groceries up and I organized the refrigerator. So I did that. When I tell you my back is hurting, I'm so tired. Like I'm doing so much at once. Now I got the water on for the noodles. About to finish seasoning the chicken, put it on, and then my sister is going to watch Kissing Booth 2. And then I was gonna take the dogs to the park, but the people canceled, so we don't have to take the dog out the house. And we're about to have a thunderstorm, so a severe thunderstorm. So yeah, we're just gonna be in the house watching movies and stuff for today. Okay guys, so the food is done. I'm about to eat. So this is how food came out. The food looks. So I'm about to eat and then we're going to watch the Kissing Booth. Look a hot mess. I really do. I just woke up. It's the next day. Last night we never watched Kissing Booth. We both fell asleep. No, actually she was watching the Bar Brothers or something. I don't know. And then I fell asleep, so we never watched Kissing Booth. And then right now she's in her sleep. I was about to ask her if she wanted to watch it, and she said that she about to go to sleep. So probably gonna watch it before she go home today or something, or probably next weekend or something like that. But that was all I really have for the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and stuff like that. But I fed the dogs everything. I did my morning routine and I fed the dogs, and right now I'm about to eat this yogurt, and I put some granola in it. So Jalen, why are you making my video creepy? I put some granola in it, and I'm gonna drink me some water. And yeah, that was all for this little vlog. I wanted it to be better. Like, we were supposed to take the dogs to the park and all that, but it didn't happen. And then it started thunderstorming, so that was that. And then today it's supposed to thunderstorm too, so I don't know. Oh, she woke up. Before I do that, I will vlog it and stuff like that, because Bella loves outside now. After the day, they had her in the front yard with them when they're out in the front, and now she's obsessed with outside. So I'm gonna vlog when we do take them. But whenever we get the chance to take them, we're gonna take them to see if she likes more than just in front of the house, because she never was ever let in the front of the house before, like not to be out there and stuff. But she loved it, and now she just, every time you open the front door and you walk out the door, go to the mailbox or go to the car, she's running with you to go. So hopefully she will enjoy the park when we go. But that will be all for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I have been taking a lot of pictures, so a lot of the pictures on my Instagram and all that. So yeah, follow me on social media. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below things you would like to see me do on my channel, or would you like to watch this video, anything. But that will be all for this vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next video.